Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with ClickUp. This integration is incredibly useful if you want form submissions to automatically create tasks in ClickUp, saving you tons of manual data entry time. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to jotform.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. You'll need to enter your email and password to access your Jotform dashboard where all your forms are stored. Once you're logged into the dashboard, you'll see all the forms you've created. Take a moment to locate the specific form you want to integrate with ClickUp. When you found it, click the Edit Form button. This will open up the form editor where you can make changes and add integrations. Now that you're in the form editor, look toward the top of the page and click on the Settings button. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your form, including integrations with third-party apps. The Settings menu is your control center for everything related to how your form functions. In the Settings menu, click on Integrations. You'll see a search field appear where you can look for specific apps. Type ClickUp into this search field, and when it appears in the results, click on it. This will open up the ClickUp integration setup page. Next, you'll need to choose an action for the integration. You'll see three options: create task, create subtask, or create comment. Select the action that best fits your workflow needs, then click the next button. For most users, create task is the most common choice as it turns each form submission into a new task. After selecting your action, you'll see an authenticate button. Click this button to connect your ClickUp account with Jotform. This step requires you to grant Jotform permission to access your ClickUp account so the two platforms can communicate. Since I don't have a ClickUp account set up for this demonstration, I'll walk you through what happens next based on the typical integration process. Once authenticated, you'll see several drop-down menus appear. These drop-downs help you specify exactly where in ClickUp your tasks should be created. Start by selecting Choose a Workspace, then move to Choose a Space, followed by Choose a Folder, and finally choose a List. This hierarchical selection ensures your tasks end up in exactly the right place within your ClickUp organization structure. Now comes the field mapping section, which is where the real magic happens. Here, you'll map your Jotform fields to corresponding ClickUp fields. For example, you might map a name field from your form to the task name field in ClickUp, or an email field to the description. This mapping tells the integration which information from your form should go where in ClickUp. If your form includes file uploads, you'll see an option to send uploaded files to ClickUp. If this applies to your workflow, make sure to select this option so attachments from form submissions are automatically included with your ClickUp tasks. Finally, click the Save button to activate your integration. Your integration is now live and ready to work. From this point forward, every time someone submits your Jotform, a corresponding task will automatically appear in ClickUp with all the mapped information included. And that's it. You've successfully connected Jotform with ClickUp, creating a seamless workflow between form submissions and task management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.